Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel where everything is creative. I just had to add that in there because of today's makeup, which is creative. It's a little bit sky, well, a little bit more than a little bit. It is sky inspired. It is this makeup look right here, and without further ado, let's get into the video and create this makeup look together. So the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and put on some eyeshadow, and I am taking the NYX Ultimate I Know That's Bright, and I'm going in with this blue right here. And to achieve this look, I will use a big fluffy brush like so, and putting this on my lid very loosely right here. I don't want to bring it down because to me the sky is above, not below. So I want to see how that goes with the whole look. I might change my mind later, but let's get to it. Then for the more technical part of it, which is the eyeliner, and I don't have a liquid white eyeliner. I wish I did because that would make this easier, or a really intense white powder. Then I could use my detail brush, which I would usually use. But essentially what we're going to do is make the eyeliner white and cloud inspired. To achieve this, I will be using the Catrice Kohl Kajal waterproof eyeliner in the 020 Tweet White, and it looks like this. I will wipe it off because it's a little dirty. And you want this sharpened, so I'm going to do that as well. And you're going to draw an eyeliner with the white eyeliner. Now for the cloud part, what we want to do is create little bubbles on top of the white eyeliner. You don't want to have big bubbles towards the inner corner or the outer corner, just to make it more cohesive and nice, I guess. we need to now put mascara on, and because of the way my lashes and my eye shape is, I want to put mascara only on my upper lashes. But before I do, let's curl them. Then I'm taking the Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this. And like I said, only on my upper lashes. Then I want my lash line to pop just a little bit more, making it look thicker and like I have false lashes on without actually having them on, because I don't want to have my lashes overpower my eyeshadow look. I just want them to complement each other. So I'm just taking a twist up eyeliner pencil and I'm putting that in the other half of my upper waterline. I don't want to leave my lips hanging, so what I'm going to do is take something that is neutral and that will complement my skin tone, my face, my color palette. And then, so I'm taking the W7, the all-rounder in the shade Fling, which is this one right here, and lining my lips. Then I'm taking Technic's pink lipstick. It doesn't have a shade name, so but it looks like this. Then I'm taking the W7, the Vitamin C Fixer, that looks like this, and setting my face. And here you have it, a sky-inspired makeup look, the blues and the white, and I absolutely love it. I think it's super cute and it's perfect for summer. I think the blue skies, a little bit of creativity, cuteness, I love it. I wish we would do more creative makeup on an everyday basis, and that we basically had 2016 again, but with less drama, more creativity. But let's not delete the drama, let's keep it, let's keep it varied. And as you can see, the lipstick for me, the pink one, doesn't take away from the makeup look, it adds to it, and it doesn't distract from the eyes, which is the focus, but it just complements it and makes it a cohesive makeup look. I think that is important, choosing a lipstick color that matches your complexion and that complements you for this makeup look. For me, it is the products that I shared with you. And so that is everything I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to thank everybody that likes, comments, shares, watches my videos, everybody that is subscribes, and if you're new here, welcome to our corner of YouTube. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!